We need men who can lead the Philippine National Police. You are our future. Hindi po kayo makikilala sa mga pangalan nyo ngayon. Makikilala po kayo sa pagiging pulis. Everybody here in uniform represents the Philippine National Police. Kung anong ginagawa nyo, tama o mali, it reflects the organization. Kaya sabihin ko po sa inyo, pagka-graduate nyo po, pangalagaan nyo po ang ating apelido, Philippine National Police. The only thing that we have right now in the Philippine National Police is our dignity. Let us keep our dignity intact. Let us perform well. Once you graduate, do your best. Let us uphold the Constitution. Let us uphold the law. Dito po tayo ang mga tao umaasa sa atin. So sa mga graduates, our challenge is to make sure that we lead by example.